You know, I love to read The Millionaire Real Estate Investor. There's a book that has a great pickup. It could change your life. The other one is Hold. I like Flip. I should go take that up. But from The Millionaire Real Estate Investor, repairs and improvements on rental properties, right? You have to do the cost benefit calculation. The right improvements may allow you to get higher paying tenants to allow you to increase value. So what kind of improvements do you need to make? Do you need to make any improvements at all? So I've met landlords that don't make any improvements at all, crazy. And I've met landlords that do make improvements all the time. Improvements are obviously a tax deductible expense. The right ones can add value and improve your rental, right? Improve your rental altogether and increasing your equity. Improvements that are necessary and add value, things such as roof, maybe the flooring, maybe you clean up the unit. Improvements that are unnecessary but add value, such as landscaping, cosmetic, right? You don't have to do landscaping. We do it on our building. Of course, it costs a little bit extra. Of course, you got to pay some money, but our building looks nicer than the rest, and our tenants are very happy, right? Improvements that are necessary, such as plumbing, repair, rewiring to the code, right? Maybe fixing your foundation if you have to, and other improvements that are not necessary but do add value, such as adding expensive features and amenities. Obviously, at some point, the really expensive stuff might not give you the return on investment. So you have to calculate where you are, what area you're in, and what kind of stuff you're going to put into your house. But when things come up and there's stuff to be fixed, just go ahead and fix it right. Don't worry about it later. That way you just add value to the building as things come up, and they surely will. The last category is obviously a judgment call. Essentially, the matter that you're weighing out your cost to benefit, cost to improvement, right? And you just have to realize as a landlord that you do have to spend money, right, in order for the building to increase in value. And if you don't want to do everything yourself and don't want to give yourself that kind of headache and run it more like a business, then go ahead and spend money. For instance, if you have squirrels in your attic, instead of going to catch them yourself, spend $1,000 and have somebody spray for squirrels and mice and catch them and do what they do. So I believe in paying professionals well when you're running your building. It will help you. But the wisest landlords know, they simply know this, that minimizing operating cost at the expense of your income and your equity gains, right? So you don't want to do that necessarily every time. What you want to do is spend the money, increase the value of the building, and by doing the right work, your equity goes up, the building grows. And just remember, real estate is a long-term game, so get ready to stay in it for a while.